Ollie, how you doing?
Hi Deepak, I'm good, you?
So we've taken your braces off.
You have?
You've been waiting 10.5 months
Yep.
for this. Didn't like your teeth before.
I didn't know.
How did it make you feel? How do you remember them?
I just didn't want to speak to people face to face like I am now. Yeah, just not good. Not good about myself.
And now the process, how do you find the process?
Process was very good. Very
Yeah.
good.
Good. So here, have a look. That's what we've been waiting for.
Whoa man. I'm finding it hard to open my mouth because it's so numb. Yeah, they look unbelievable. Holy. Oh mate.
How do you feel?
Amazing.
Yeah?
I just can't smile because it's so numb.
So we changed those fillings as well for you, haven't we?
Yeah.
And just so you know that's how they were before, and now they're very, very straight.
Yeah, that's amazing.
And the bite feels good.
Amazing.
How's this going to change for you going forwards?
Feel a lot more confident, a lot happier,
Smiling a lot more.
smiling a lot more.
That's what we want here. Thank you.
Showing my teeth off.
That's
Thank
the
you
bit.
Deepak, you're the man.
Thank you, Ollie.